What's up, everybody? It's Alex, the founder and CEO of Motoroso.com, your dedicated mods marketplace. If you've been following our channel, you know that we recently did a twin turbo swap and a bunch of cooling upgrades on our F-150 with the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, and is now making over 450 wheel horsepower, and it runs great. We are loving it, but as usual, enough is never enough. So we're about to do a mod that for under $1,000 will add 30 to 50 horsepower, and it's CARB legal, and you can run it in all 50 states. We're about to get into some meth. Not that meth, water-methanol injection. So we're going to take you through this kit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell. And of course, hit the comment section. We respond to every single comment. And as usual, purchase your mods at Motoroso.com, where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices. We're there to help you on live chat, or you can call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. That's 833-668-6767. Let's go. Now let's start with why you would even want a water-methanol injection system. In all engines, having cool air going into the intake is absolutely critical, especially in boosted applications like turbos and superchargers. That's because the cooler the air is, the more dense it is, meaning the more oxygen it contains, and that's how you get the better combustion and thereby make more power. And that's why cold air intakes are really popular. A couple $100, you get a little bit of power gain and better throttle response. It's also why your turbo pushes its compressed air out and through an intercooler before it goes back up into the air intake, because you want that air to be as dense as possible so it can carry the most boost pressure. Now, a water-methanol injection kit basically injects a vaporized mixture of water and methanol directly into the air intake. The kits usually work by injecting it right before the throttle body, but sometimes you can get kits that have a direct port injection plate, and if you can, they do perform a little bit better. Now, what this does is it chills the air instantly, essentially increasing the oxygen content by making the air more dense and carrying more boost, and that just means more power, 30 to 50 horsepower more. It also effectively raises the octane level of the fuel. It decreases the chance of detonation because it has slowed the combustion rate. And here's what you need to know about this kit specifically. Now, this kit specifically is made for the 3.5 liter EcoBoost F-150, and it'll set you back around $750. For 50 bolt-on horsepower that's CARB legal, available to use in all 50 states, for under $1,000, I don't know where you're going to see that kind of value. So WaterMeth is pretty trick in that respect. Now, it includes everything that you're going to need. It's got all the fittings, the pump, the nozzle, the controller, and a regular sized tank, which of course you'll fill with a 50-50 blend of M1 ethanol and distilled water. And you're going to use about a gallon of water-methanol mixture per 20 gallons of gasoline that you go through, depending on your tune and your horsepower numbers. Now, this kit comes with a 1 gallon tank, which depending on how much you're driving, you're gonna fill up about every 20 gallons of fuel that you're using. So for me, that's probably 5-6 days. For some people, it might be longer than that, it might be a week. If you're driving a lot, you might find that this tank is too small. So luckily, Snow Performance sells upgraded tank kits. You can go to a 2.5 gallon tank, or you can opt for the Mac Daddy guitar case 10 gallon kit tank, which is what we've chosen. And this mounts directly in the bed of the truck over the wheel well, looks slick, and it comes with the extra long stainless steel braided lines, and it costs around $200. Now, estimated time to install this kit is 4 to 6 hours, so it's not a tiny installation, but it's also not so complicated that you can't do it on your own, with a little bit of patience and a good set of instructions. And we're going to be making a how-to installation guide video, so subscribe to the channel and look for that, and we hope you find that helpful. Now, if you're asking yourself, where am I going to buy meth?
This is not meth.
Well, I can't help you with that, but if you get one of these systems, you're gonna need M1 methanol, and just like the other one, you're gonna wanna talk to your local dealer. But in this case, you're gonna wanna talk to your local specialty fuel dealer like VP Racing Fuels or Sunoco, and they're gonna sell 5 gallon or 55 gallon drums of M1 methanol, and this is very affordable. $35 to $40 will buy you 5 gallons, which you blend with distilled water and then put into your methanol system. You can get yourself a little jug that you can mix it up and pour it in, and it's pretty straightforward and inexpensive. Now, if you don't want to do any of that, but you still want to run this, Snow Performance does sell something called Boost Juice. Boost Juice is 51% methanol and 49% water, and it comes in a jug that'll set you back about $10 to $15 per gallon, and you just dump it straight in and you're good to go. It is the easiest way, but definitely about 3 times as expensive as blending your own. Now, never let your tank run dry. You want to make sure you always have water methanol on hand, because once your car is tuned to run it, you don't want to run it without any going in there. That'll be bad. Now, if you get into a pinch and you've run out of fluid, believe it or not, you can actually get 70% water, 30% methanol windshield wiper fluid at your local O'Reilly's or whatever AutoZone parts store. And you can dump that straight in here and it will run. It won't be as good, you won't get as much power, but you can run that until you get back to your 50-50 blend. So there you have it, 50 horsepower and 50 state legal, under $1,000 even with the 10-gallon tank upgrade, and a relatively easy installation that you can do yourself. If you want to buy this, check us out at Motoroso.com. You can reach us there on live chat, or you can call us toll-free at 833-MOTOROSO. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell for notifications. And if you got any questions, hit us up in the comment section, because we respond to everything. We make these videos for you guys, and if you subscribe, it helps us out and helps us grow. Thanks for watching.